Pitch deck. 1 title slide. Solid-State Energy Automation Project, Phase 1 USA. Los Angeles Automated Manufacturing Facility. $48 million for 30% equity. High-margin clean energy manufacturing for the US and APAC markets. American Sustainable Dynamics Energy Co. Limited Project Representative Manager, Richard Shi. Email, usa.sustainable.dynamics.energy@gmail.com. 2 Executive Summary. We are developing the United States' first scalable, automation-driven solid-state energy manufacturing platform, engineered for industrial, grid, and renewable storage applications. Phase 1, Los Angeles, California. $48 million investment, 30% equity. 15% 200% gross margin manufacturing model. Modular high-volume production lines. US plus APAC dual market commercialization. 18 to 24-month competitive lead over emerging players. This project combines advanced materials, automated production, and strong market pull, positioning it to become a foundational US clean energy manufacturing asset. 3. The global problem. The clean energy transition is accelerating, yet major gaps remain. Grid systems lack sufficient high-density storage. Renewable energy intermittency continues to create instability. Current battery technologies cannot support industrial-scale needs. U.S. domestic manufacturing lags behind international competitors. Demand for safer, higher-density storage continues to surge. A new generation of energy manufacturing capacity is urgently needed. 4. The market opportunity. Solid-state energy is positioned for multi-billion growth, driven by U.S. decarbonization mandates, industrial electrification, renewable integration, heavy mobility electrification, federal incentives supporting domestic energy manufacturing. Strong early mover capacity will dominate supply contracts for years ahead. 5. Our solution. A commercial-ready, automation-driven solid-state energy manufacturing platform, delivering high-density solid-state energy products. Proprietary materials enhancement. Automated quality control for consistency. Modular production lines allowing rapid scaling. Industrial-grade output suitable for grid and commercial applications. Designed for immediate commercial deployment, not dependent on R&D breakthroughs. 6. Why build in the United States? Access to federal clean energy incentives, IRA, DOE programs. High-value domestic manufacturing premium. Proximity to major grid and industrial markets. National security and supply chain resilience. Faster valuation growth for U.S.-based energy infrastructure. The U.S. market strongly rewards domestic production capacity. 7. Phase 1, Los Angeles Automated Factory. Phase 1 includes fully automated production line, materials activation processes, precision quality control automation, 24/7 scalable operation. Architecture designed for Phase 2 expansion. Target, 15% 200% gross margin. High volume output. Industrial grade reliability. This facility forms the foundation for multi-site global rollout. 8. Business model. Revenue streams include high-margin product sales, solid-state energy modules, industrial and grid-scale supply contracts, APAC plus US wholesale distribution, long-term strategic partnerships, Phase 2 and Phase 3 global expansion sites. A scalable manufacturing first model with strong EBITDA potential. 9. Competitive advantages. Commercial first strategy not dependent on lab uncertainty. Automated manufacturing ecosystem. Proprietary materials enhancement. U.S-based production equals valuation premium. Workforce light, high efficiency model. 18 to 24 month market lead over upcoming competitors. A defensible position in a rapidly expanding sector. 10 Financial overview high level. Phase 1 Capex, $48 million. Equity offered, 30%. Projected gross margin, 15% 200%. Scalability, modular lines enable rapid revenue expansion. EBITDA margin, strengthens significantly post-ramp-up. Designed for manufacturing profitability, not speculative technology. 11 Investment structure. Current round, capital raise, $48 million. Equity offered, 30% U.S. entity. Investment type, strategic equity. Use of funds, factory construction. Automation systems. Materials preparation infrastructure. Initial operating capital. Investor benefits, foundation level equity entry. Priority rights to Phase 2 global expansion. Optional revenue sharing structure. Early participation in high growth, high demand sector. 12 Deployment roadmap. 2025 capital raise completion. Factory engineering and automation integration. 2026 construction and commissioning. Materials activation setup. 2027 commercial production begins. First U.S. industrial and grid clients on board. 2028 plus. APAC deployment Phase 2. Global multi-site expansion. 13 Why Rushin Capital? We selected Rushin Capital because of its leadership in climate tech, industrial decarbonization, advanced manufacturing, energy storage innovation, commercial-ready hardware systems. Your investment philosophy aligns directly with our mission. Build the manufacturing backbone for the next generation of clean energy. 14 Closing, call to partnership. We invite Rushin Capital to join us as a strategic equity partner in building the next U.S. clean energy manufacturing platform. We are ready to share, engineering package, factory architecture, financial model, commercial pipeline, deployment plan. Let us explore how we can scale the future of solid-state energy together. Project Representative Manager, Richard Shi. American Sustainable Dynamics Energy Co. Ltd. Email, usa.sustainable.dynamics.energy@gmail.com. Los Angeles, CA.